A bird sits on a 10,000-volt power line and nothing happens. You touch it and you die. Same wire, same voltage. The difference? Potential difference. Confuse potential with potential energy and you'll never understand circuits. Electric potential is potential energy per unit charge. V equals U over Q, joules per coulomb. We call that a volt. For a point charge, V equals KQ over R. No R squared, just like energy. But here's why potential is powerful. It's a scalar, not a vector. Electric fields? You add components, deal with angles, do vector math. Potential? Just add the numbers. 5 charges in weird positions? Add 5 values. Done! Grassroot teaches every concept like this. One-on-one AI learning, 24/7. Grassroot.academy.